Good day, great students. Today we're working on Excel 2019 in practice, Chapter 6, Guided Project 6-3. We're going to go ahead and click on our start file. Once it downloads, we're going to open it up. We're working on the Wherever Shoes 06 start file. First thing it says is click on the Inventory Sheet tab. First, we need to enable editing though. Make sure inventory is open. Select cells A3 through I39, A3 through I39. Click the name box. This is your name box. We're going to type in inventory and press enter. That way it names the range inventory. We're going to select cell L5 and type we 006. We're going to create a nested function with index and match to display inventory for a product. So we're going to click on cell L6. Click the lookup and reference button. It's on the formulas tab. In the function library group. And we're going to look for index. We're going to select the first argument list, array, row num, column num. And we're going to click OK. For the array argument, we're going to press F3 and select inventory from the paste name dialog box. Go ahead and click OK. Click the row num box and click the name box arrow. Choose match in the list. If you don't see match, click more functions and scroll down until you see match. Select match, click OK. And at where it says lookup value, you're going to click the lookup array box. We're going to click cell L5 for the lookup value, and it should say we 006 out to the right. We're going to click the lookup array box. We're going to select cells A3 through A39. We're going to click the match type box, and we're going to type in a 0. And you should come up with the number 7 here. Click index in the formula bar. And click OK if it comes back up to the select arguments again. And now you should be where you can choose column num. So click the column num argument. Click the name box arrow and choose match. Type quantity in the lookup value box. Where it says lookup array, we're going to select A3 through I3. A3 through I3. This match function finds a cell in the quantity column after the row is selected by the first match function. We're going to click the match type box and we're going to select 0. So currently our formula, once we click OK, our formula in our formula box should read index, inventory, comma, match, L5, A3 through A39, 0, match, quantity, A3 through I3, 0. Once we click OK, where it says quantity, the result should be a 2. We're going to click cell L5 and we're going to change it to we 015. When we press enter, it should update to 4. Number 6 says use some ifs to calculate total pairs in stock by specific criteria. So select cell M13. Click the math and trick button. It's on the formulas tab. And we're scrolling down until we see some ifs. Click cells E4 through E39 for the sum range. And we're going to press F4 to make it absolute reference. You should have a $ before the E, a $ before the 4, colon, $E, $39. We're going to click the criteria range 1 box. And we're going to select cells C4 through C39. That is going to be the color. So you should have C4 through C39. We're going to press F4 because we want to make it absolute reference as well. Click the criteria 1 box and select cell K13. Leave this as a relative reference. So that means we're not going to press F4. Select the criteria range 2 box and select cells D4 through D39. We're going to press F4 to make it absolute reference. In the criteria 2 box, we're going to select cell L13. Criteria specifies the number of black pair of shoes in size 8. So the number you should come up with should be a 7. Go ahead and click OK. Copy the formula in cell M13 to cells M14 to M21. So I'm going to click this here. I'm going to bring the formula all the way down. Step 7 says click the Satisfaction Survey Worksheet tab and review the data. So we're going to click on Satisfaction Survey. We're going to highlight cells A4 through H40. And we're going to change the name to Survey. Press Enter. We're going to, step 9 says use d-average to summarize customer survey data. So click the Criteria Sheet tab. And in cell B2, you're going to type in RUG asterisk. Click the Average Ratings Worksheet tab and select cell C5. So Average Ratings, C5. Click the Insert Function button on the Formulas tab, Insert Function. You're going to click the drop-down arrow, select Database, and we're looking for d-average. Click OK. Where it says Database, you're going to choose, press F3, and we're going to select Survey from the Paste Names dialog box. Click OK. In the Field box, we're going to select cell C4. And click the Criteria box. Select Criteria Sheet tab. Select cells B1 through B2. And make references absolute, so press F4. Click OK, and the result should be 7.75. 7.75. Copy the formula in cells C5 to cells D5 through F5. Use d-average to summarize survey data. Select the Criteria Sheet tab. Select cell B5. Type the criteria as shown here for the shoe style. So B5 should be COM, asterisk. Cell B8 should be LAZ, asterisk. Cell B11 should be SER, asterisk. And cell B14 should be GLI, asterisk. Click the Average Rating Sheet tab and select cell C6. So Average Ratings, cell C6. Click the Recently Used button and select D-Average. Press F3. Choose Survey. Click OK. For the Field box, we're going to select cell C4. And it should read Comfort. For the Criteria box, we're going to go to the Criteria Worksheet. And we're going to select cells B4 through B5. We're going to press F4 to make them absolute reference. And we're going to click OK. The result we should receive is 7.5. Copy the formula in cell C6 to D6 through F6. Build d-average functions for the remaining shoe styles on the average ratings sheet tab. So what we're going to do is we're going to repeat the same thing we've just done with d-average. So we're going to click cell C7, recently used, select d-average. We're going to hit F3, select survey, click OK. For the field, we're going to select cell C4. For the criteria, we're going to go to the criteria sheet tab, and we're going to select B7 through B8. We're going to press F4 to make those absolute reference. Click OK. I'm going to copy the formula from from C7 to D to F7. We're going to go to seriously tall boots in cell C8 and build the function again. Select d-average. For the database, press F3. Select survey. Click OK. For the field, we're looking for comfort. And for the criteria, we go to the criteria sheet tab. We select B10 through B11. Press F4 and click OK. And we copy the formula over. We then do the same thing again for glide running shoes. Recently used, d-average. For the database, we're going to hit F3, select survey, click OK. For the field, we're going to select C4 for comfort. For the criteria, we're going to go to the criteria sheet tab. We're going to select cells B13 through B14. Press F4 to make those absolute reference. Click OK. And we're going to copy the formula over. Select cells G5 through G9 on the average ratings sheet tab. Click the auto sum arrow and choose average. So go to the home tab, or you can stay on the formula tab and choose average. So 13 says create an ifs function. So select cell H5, click the logical button, and choose ifs with an S. Logical test 1 argument, select cell G5 and type greater than, equal to 9. Click the value if true 1 box. Click cell J5. Press F4 to make it absolute reference. Click the logical test 2 box. Click cell G5. Type greater than or equal to 8. Click cell J6. Go to value of true 2 and click cell J6. Press F4. Go to logical test 3 box. Click cell G5. Greater than, equal to 5. Value if true 3. Click cell J7. Press F4. Click down, scroll arrow to reveal logical test 4. So this is your scroll arrow here. Logical test 4 is G5 is less than 5. And value if true 4, we're going to click on cell J8. Press F4. Your formula should read if G5 greater than or equal to 9, $J, $5, G5 greater than or equal to 8, $J, $6, G5 greater than or equal to 5, $J, $7, G5 less than 5, $J, $8. Click OK. And it should read above average. Now we're going to copy the formula all the way down. We're going to format column H to be 13.57 pixels. So you have an option. You click on the Home tab, go to Cells, Format, Column Width, and change it to 13.57. Or you can sit here and move it back and forth with the cursor that way. Step 14, calculate depreciation for an asset using a financial function. Click the Depreciation Sheet tab and select cell C11. Depreciation is the decrease in the value of an asset as it ages. The DB function calculates the loss in value over a specified period of time at a fixed rate. Click the Financial button, Formulas tab, Financial, and we're looking for DB. Select cell C6 for the cost argument. Press F4 to make an absolute reference. This is the initial cost of the equipment. Click the Salvage box. Select cell C7. Press F4. This is the expected value of the equipment at the end of its life. Click the Life box. Select cell C8. Press F4. This is how long the equipment is expected to last. Click the Period box and select cell B11. The first formula calculates depreciation for the first year. Click OK. The first year depreciation should be $39,900. Copy the formula in cell C11 to cell C12 to C18. Each year's depreciation is less than the previous year. Select cell C19 and use AutoSum. The total depreciation plus the salvage value is approximately equal to the original cost. It is not exact due to rounding. Use concat to build an email address. If your version of Excel does not include concat, use concatenate. Right-click any worksheet tab, choose unhide. So we're going to just right-click. Down here we have unhide. We're looking for email, so select it and click OK. On the Email tab, select cell C5. Type in your equal sign. Type in CON. Press Tab. Select text 1 argument is first. Click cell A5, comma, to move to the text 2 argument. Select cell B5, and our comma to move to the text 3 argument. And then we're going to type in quotation marks, at we shoes.org. And we're going to close with a closing parentheses. Press enter. So you should have Vincent Bowman at weshoes.org. We're going to copy the formula in cell C5 to cell C6 through C8. Now we're going to save and close the document. So we're going to save, close. Good job. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call.